Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ShareASale payment schedule and reconciliation, full guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing your ShareASale payment schedule, log into your ShareASale account. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the Account Settings section. In the Account Settings, look for the Payment Schedule tab. Click on the Payment Schedule tab to open the options available. Here, you will see details about your current payment settings. Review the payment options provided, including weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly schedules. Select the payment schedule that best suits your financial planning. After selecting your desired schedule, scroll down to locate the Save Changes button. Click the Save Changes button to confirm your selection. Next, to reconcile your payments, return to the main dashboard. Click on the Reports tab located in the menu. From the Reports menu, select Transaction Reports. In the Transaction Reports section, set the date range for the transactions you want to reconcile. Generate the report by clicking on the Generate Report button. Review the report for any discrepancies in the transactions listed. If discrepancies are found, document them for future reference. Once you have reviewed your report, navigate back to the Account Settings. Go to the Payment Settings section to ensure your payment details are correct. Verify your bank account information or any payment method listed. Make any necessary updates and remember to click Save Changes. Finally, check for any pending approvals or notifications regarding your payment schedule. This concludes the process of authorizing your ShareASale payment schedule and reconciling payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.